Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's quick video, I'm going to show you how you can switch between the Celsius and the Fahrenheits on top of your Midea air conditioner remote control. So first of all, you need to make sure that the remote has working batteries and it should also be powered on. You don't need the to turn on the air conditioner in order to change the temperature unit. Now on the compatible Midea remotes, you will find a dedicated Celsius and the Fahrenheit button, which is basically going to look something like this. So you just have to simply press this button once in order to switch between the Celsius and the Fahrenheit. The new temperature unit will appear immediately on the remote's display. Now, some of the Midea remotes don't include the dedicated temperature unit button. So on those models, you just have to first of all press the temp button, and then you just have to simply hold it for at least 3 to 5 seconds in order to switch between the degree Celsius and Fahrenheit. So if that doesn't work, you can check that your remote's user manual, as the button combination varies by model. So that's how you can basically do it. Thanks for watching.